Today we are going to make a healthy chocolate pudding, also known as chocolate avocado pudding. Hi, welcome to Cake Mom. I'm Abby, this is Emery, that's Aaliyah, and on this channel I share with you guys some of my favorite tips and techniques, as well as recipes to help you with your home baking projects. If you're new or haven't already, please consider subscribing to this channel and hitting that notification bell so that you can see when I post my next video. So, I'm a mom and I'm always looking for ways to get my kids to eat veggies and fruit that they just don't want to. This recipe is a fantastic one because not only is it delicious in their opinion, it's delicious in my opinion, and I love chocolate pudding. So let's get started. As always, the recipe will be in the description below, but here's everything you will need. Salt, ripe avocados, cocoa powder, your favorite sweetener, I have agave, and some kind of nut milk, vanilla. That's it. So you will want some kind of a blender or food processor for this recipe, and we're going to start with halving and scooping out the flesh of your avocados. You can help me with this? You want these to be super ripe. It's okay if they're a little brown, but the flavor kind of changes if they turn too brown. So try to get them when they're nice and soft and green. Add your cocoa powder. This is actually agave I've gone with. If you don't want to use a sweetener, you can actually throw in a ripe, super ripe banana, or two even. Especially if your kids don't like bananas, but you want them to have some potassium, get some banana in there. And some milk, a little pinch of salt.
I want to do one.
Just eat your avocado, baby. And a little bit of vanilla. All right, that's enough. So it's about done. We're just gonna scoop these into some bowls and garnish it. I'm gonna put some chocolate chips and some coconut on there. You can put whatever you want to on top of this, or you can serve it just like it is. I do happen to know that whipped cream is delicious on top of this, just so you know. There it is, my chocolate avocado pudding. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. If you did, you might also really like these healthy no-bake cookies over here. Also can be made vegan, so go check those out. And if you haven't yet, give this video a thumbs up, comment below, we want to hear from you, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notifications bell so that you can see when we post our next video. Have a great one.